Oh, rent increases. So yes, that's the next area we'd like to cover. So we're finding with rent increases, in terms of process, that's remained largely consistent with how we operated previously. We've actually always issued Section 13s rather than relying on rent increase clause within contracts. The first round of increases has been sent, and we're currently observing how these changes are filtering through in practice. Our experience so far, though, is broadly in line with what we expect with previous rent increases. So most cases, tenants, they don't formally confirm or they don't disagree in response to the notice. They just continue to pay the rent at the increased rate when it becomes due. So this is very consistent with historical behavior and suggests that in many cases, the increase is absorbed as part of the ongoing tenancy arrangement, unless there's a specific dispute raised. We are actually, well, we are aware, as many of you may be aware as well, that there are more external websites and organizations providing tenants with information on how to challenge rent increases, maybe even encouraging. So this is a part of a wider landscape where tenants are increasingly well informed about their rights and options. This reinforces the importance of ensuring notices are correctly issued, fully compliant, as tenants do have more access to resources that explain how they can review or challenge changes if they choose to do so. I mean, however, our current experience just remains consistent with previous periods where most rent increases proceed without actual active disputes. They're simply reflected in the ongoing rent payments.
So maybe they're just fair. We take a lot of time to consider the rent increase amounts and
absolutely
always
offer and even before it became a law, we always based it on market value anyway.
Yeah.
And yeah.